Somalis in Minnesota were just caught for committing their largest welfare fraud scheme yet. This fraud is so massive, Donald Trump is being forced to step in and address it. Not only did they steal it in the most egregious way possible, but it was uncovered that they were using the stolen taxpayer money to fund an Islamic terrorist group back in Somalia. As always, like the video and subscribe to the channel. You're going to want to stick around for this, but let's start by hearing from the ringleader in all of this, sitting United States Congresswoman Ilhan Omar.